Hi, Beth. I'm so sorry for the miscommunication with the link. I sent it out a couple times in a meeting request, and I apologize. I don't know what happened, but I think I can answer most of your questions in a video. So to answer your question about changing the feedback that students get completing a problem, unfortunately, that is a standard setting, so there's no way to edit change it to a red X or a green check mark. And there's no way to change the submittal process right now. Like the students it'll grade each question as they go. But you can change the overall settings. So right here, I am in our new gradebook, and if you don't see this view, there is a little button at the top up here that says Try New Version, and this will give you this updated screen. You can simply click on the calendar view and you can drag and drop assignments to the correct due date if you want. Let me go back to the list view. You can also click on the due date and change those due dates as well. Going up to the top to manage global settings, you can click on this manage setting, and you can go to a view where you can just type in all the dates and things like that. You can put in settings just for one student, so if you have a student that needs extra time. But where you'll go is this bulk edit assignment. So you'll have to go through, and you can only do it by one assignment type at a time. So if you have quizzes and tests, you'll have to do those separately. But you can click on homework assignment. Since their settings are different, that's why it's done that way. And it's going to pull up, let's see, let's try that again. It'll pull up the global settings. So basically, you can set the assignment settings for the assignment or for all assignments. So here you see I've got homework assignments selected. It says all assignments, but you can change it if you just want certain things. So there's late submission. It defaults to partial credit. What I think you're looking for is this access control attempts per question. So you can give students a limit on the number of attempts per question. You can turn off the learning aids if you don't want students to see that. And just hit apply settings when you're done. I believe you had a question about changing dates, so I hope that this answered that question too. But please let me know if you have any further questions, and we can set up another time to chat.